Did you know honey never spoils? Thousands of bees work together, collecting nectar from flowers and carrying it back to the hive. Inside the hive, the nectar is slowly transformed into thick golden honey. Beekeepers carefully extract the honey from honeycombs, filter it and bottle it for the world to enjoy. But honey is more than just sweet. Its low moisture and natural acidity help prevent bacteria from growing, which is why honey can last for years without spoiling. From tea and desserts to health remedies and skincare, honey has been used for thousands of years. One tiny drop, made by thousands of bees,